What's up, guys? It's another week here at the shop, and this week we are super busy because our hot rod party open house is next week. So you can see we're working up the driveway, trying to make everything look all nice, rearranging some cars so we can have them all on display. Right over here, we have the band of the F-250. Pat just got done spraying all of the lizard skin coating and then painting this with hot rod black. So this looks really good compared to what it was before. We'll move inside and we'll look at it inside. So I've been working on this upper piece here. You can see all the rust in there. We're working on that, and then hopefully this thing will be going over to paint tomorrow. We're just doing a really simple restoration on this, so we're not taking everything down to complete bare metal. We'll have the painter do all the prep work that they want to do. But what we did on our side is some rust repair and then lizard skin on the bottom of here as well. And then we painted this firewall black. So, and then on the inside, you can see in here, we also sprayed some lizard skin. And then up there for the vent, Pat did a new opening for the vent for AC and heat. So the truck didn't have AC before, but it's going to now. So that's what this big giant hole is right here. So we have a kit from Old Air products that we'll be using, and Pat got everything all ready so that way when we get it back from paint, we'll be able to hook up the AC. The Impala, we have some floor pans for the Impala so we can start working on those. We got the exhaust kit. We've been getting a bunch of stuff in, all of the window stuff. So probably what we're gonna work on next week is I'm gonna have Pat work on installing the new windows, and they're gonna be power windows. So we have to do some modifying to make the power window mechanism work with the original windows. So he'll probably start working on some of that. We'll get some of the floor pans done, and then we're still waiting on some of the other rust repair bits. Over here on the 33, I've been working super hard on this thing, trying to get it done as fast as I can, but there's still a little bit more work to be done. So I have both of the wheel wells done. The ones that were in it originally just were not very good, so I completely hand-shaped and made new wheel wells for both sides. I don't know where the other one went, but I do have another one. I think it's over there because I was trimming on it. So once we get that in, then pretty quickly we'll be able to get our floorboards in, and then this little area right here where this is separated in here, this will be a firewall because he's going to have a fuel tank back here, so we'll have a nice piece of sheet metal right there to have a separation between the inside of the car and where the fuel is at. All right, and then also, we've finally been getting some lights in on this part of the shop, so we're really looking forward to that. We've just been using temporary lights in the meantime, and it gets super dark over here. So now we're gonna officially have lights in this part of the shop. Looking over here, this is the upper piece of the cab that I've been working on. So I got most of the upper piece done, and now I got to start working on the lip on the other side of the spot weld, and maybe a little bit more in the corners, but we'll see. So yeah, that's an update of what we've been up to recently.
There's the other fender well.
Yeah, there's the other fender well. So I'm gonna try and do these videos once a week, just a little update of what we've done in the shop and the progress that we've got going on.